So with my base already done, I'm going to show you how I like to contour my face. I'm going to just dot 2 dots, and I like to blend downwards because my face is really round and I like to give some structure, as you can see, from this side to this side. I learned how to do makeup for my face shape on social media. I've just always done a cookie cutter contour, and I felt like it didn't make my face the way I wanted to, because if I contour this way, I already have high cheekbones. It's just gonna give me bigger cheeks. So next, I'm just going to apply this blush on my high points of my cheek, and I'm making sure to be careful because this is so pigmented. No matter how intense you want your blush, you always want to start off little by little and then build it up to give you the intensity you want. And then I'm just bouncing around. My favorite makeup hacks are to use products for other purposes. For example, I love to use my contour as my lip liner or brown eyeliner as my lip liner. And I will show you how to do that at the end. I'm just making sure my blushes match on each side, but this is so beautiful. And going in with the same blush, just the powder side, and powder down, and making sure to blend it into my contour to marry into each other. If you have your blush and it's too pigmented, with my powder brush, I'm going in and just stippling very gently to tone down the color. And as you can see, it makes it a little more subtle. And for my next step, I am going to highlight my cheek. Kind of same thing we did for the blush, just a little bit at a time. And then I just do circular motions into my blush. Brow products, lipstick, and foundation. I can use lipstick as my blush if I wanted to. It gives me color. Brow frames your face, and foundation gives you flawless skin. So for my pro tip, using contour as my lip liner, just grab a cotton swab or a lip brush and apply. And if you want to bring back color to your lips, just go in with the same blush. So I'm gonna go in with the cream and dab it in the center of my lips.